videos. So guys, during this video, we're going to walk through how to apply for your Singapore arrival card, or in other terms, how to fill your Singapore arrival card when you travel to Singapore. Before I proceed further, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, many countries have arrival formalities. For example, when you come to Canada, you need to fill incoming passenger card. This you can do at the border kiosk, or you can do it in advance using Arrive that saves time at the border. Similarly, for Singapore, you have this Singapore arrival card system. So this you can fill up to 3 days in advance before your arrival. So in front of you, I have opened this ICA Singapore government website. Okay, there are FAQ sections. Okay, where you can get most common questions. Uh, all these questions you have common questions answer. Okay, and they have stopped the paper cards. Okay, arrival card e-service. All right, so you can go through all these questions like a lot of you may have, but I'll gonna show you. So let's say you are traveling individually. So you have the link for individual submission if you want to go for group, or if you have already submitted and you want to update, you can go this. So I'll go click on this. Of course, I won't be submitting, but I'll guide you how to do that. If you're a long-term pass holder, submit here. So let's say you're not. When you are coming, let's say you're going this. Personal information. You can retrieve it with visa and reference number or passport. But I'm just entering just because this is gonna be the sample. I won't submitting it. Date of birth. Okay. Now we have this confirm button. Otherwise, you will need to restart the entire submission to edit the fields you have declared after you proceed. Continue. Okay. Date of passport expiry. Do it as per your situation, not what you see here. Place of birth. Do it as per your own case. Place of residence. Wow. Oh, but state-wise they have given. Ah, let me see what I can do. Wow. I can put a comma. Then, wow. Can I put anything? Email address. Phone number in if you are eligible. If you're eligible for entering this, you will receive an electronic visit pass. Okay. Send you via this email address. Valid email address. In uppercase forward for clarity and phone number. Okay. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna meet you after clicking next. Okay, so now it is asking for the trip information that you can include here. Purpose of travel. You can see holiday, sightseeing, whatever is applicable. Mode of travel here. Okay, next is gonna be preview and then submit. So I'm not gonna submit it, but you have got the information, right? So in this way you can do, and that's how it works, guys. So in preview, like it's kind of confirmation screen and then you submit it. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.